not to say to an insurance adjuster after an accident, according to a criminal defense attorney. So let's say you've been in an accident and now it's time to call your insurance company. They're going to be really nice, really friendly, really concerned about how you're doing, right? What you need to remember is that this phone call is not a wellness check. It's an investigation and it's being recorded. And their main goal is to pay as little as legally possible to help you. That's not me being cynical. That's literally just their business model, okay? Insurance adjusters are trained to get you to say very specific things that are then used to either minimize or deny your claim altogether. But like in a sneaky way. A lot of the phrases they're fishing for sound totally harmless on their face. Something as simple as I'm okay or I'm feeling okay. You might say that to be polite or to not seem dramatic, or maybe you're just running on adrenaline and genuinely feel okay in that moment. But injuries from car accidents specifically, soft tissue damage, whiplash, concussions, back injuries, those can take days or sometimes even weeks to fully present. And if you tell an insurance adjuster on a recorded line that you're feeling just fine on day 2, and then on day 10, you're in a neck brace, they will use your words against you to try to prove that the injury wasn't caused by the accident. So the correct answer to how are you feeling or how are you doing or anything along those lines, I'm still being evaluated by my doctor and I don't have a full picture of my injuries yet. They will hate that, but it's in your best interest to say it. The other big thing is that you don't want to admit to any level of fault or confusion about fault. So no, I think it was partly my fault, or I could have done XYZ differently to avoid it. You might just be trying to be reasonable or consider all possibilities, right? But all an insurance adjuster is going to document is an admission of fault. And in some states, an admission of even shared fault can reduce or completely eliminate what you're owed. So don't speculate on fault. Fault is for investigators and attorneys to determine, not for you to guess at or offer up. Last thing, and this is very important, okay? You are not required to give a recorded statement to the other driver's insurance company. You're just not. They will ask you nicely. They will frame it as if it is standard procedure. They will make you feel like you are doing something wrong or being difficult if you don't comply. But their only goal, the entire purpose of the recorded statement, is to lock you into specific details so they can try to poke holes in your claim. That's it. And you don't have to give them shit. So don't. All you say to them, if anything, is, I'm not comfortable giving a recorded statement at this time. I would like to have an attorney review my case first. That's it. No matter how hard they push back, that's all you say. The insurance company's job is not to make sure you're taken care of. Their job is to pay out as little as possible. So just remember that the adjuster on the phone, not your advocate. Your attorney is your advocate. So don't go dig yourself a hole they can't get you out of. I hope you never need this information, but it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it.